Hey, what's up guys? It's Donahue here looking at some systems, and I want to go try one of the homework examples with substitution. And so the example I'm going to try is number 3 from Wednesday night's homework. Here is what we did. First thing you need to know about substitution is that we're trying to find one variable that's solved for. So, for example, this y is solved for, meaning that we have y on one side of the equation, and what y is equal to is right here. And I want to substitute out this y. And we're going to use just this bottom equation now, because we're going to be able to get rid of all of the y's and only solve for x. And I'm going to show you how you do that. I want to substitute out this y, this bottom y, for that negative 3x plus 5. And now we're no longer going to deal with this this top equation. We're going to just deal with the bottom equation. We'll get 5x minus 4. Bring down the equals negative 3. And instead of this y, we're swapping it out. It should be negative 3x plus 5. So that's how you do that. That's step 1. Step 1 is just to substitute. So 1 is to substitute. So step 2, I think the next step is, since there's parentheses in that negative 4, I'm going to say let's distribute. Let's distribute that negative 4 to the negative 3 and to the 5. And as we do that, we'll end up getting positive 12x and negative 20. And then you're going to bring everything else down. Step 3, we'll use a different color. And looks like we can, step 3 should be to combine the like terms. 5x and 12x makes 17x minus 20 minus 3. Since I'm going to change colors, now we're just solving for our x. So just solving for the variable. I think we just add 20 to both sides. Do the inverse operation to make a 0. So now we get 7. Now our x is almost isolated. 17x equals 17. We can divide by 17 and we get x equals 1. That's great, but we forgot about something. We forgot about y. We need to find y. Plug, step 5 will be plug back for y. So you take your x that equals 1. I'm going to erase. You want to look at your two equations, your original equations, and you want to say, you know what, I can plug 1 into either equation. I could plug 1 in here for x, or I could put 1 in here. Both will give you the same y, because remember, this is where both points meet, both lines meet. So I'm going to choose the top equation because I think it's a little easier. So it would be y equals negative 3. Not x, we're going to multiply it times 1. And add 5. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 5. So our y equals 2. So if y equals 2 and x equals 1, our answer is 1, 2. Yay. We got it right. Thank you guys.